In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off read receipts on Instagram mobile. Let's open the Instagram app. Normally, when we read someone's messages in Instagram, that person is able to see if we have read the messages or not. This is called read receipts. Turning off read receipts on Instagram gives you more privacy and control by hiding when you've read messages. It lets you respond at your own pace without pressure, reduces stress, and helps set clear boundaries in conversations. This feature is especially useful if you want to avoid feeling constantly available or watched. In the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon. In the top right corner, tap on the 3 vertical lines. This will open the Settings and Activity page. In the Settings menu, scroll down and search for Messages and Story Replies. Tap on Messages and Story Replies. In this menu, tap on Show Read Receipts. Turn off the Read Receipts option from here. Now, even if you read someone's message in Instagram, that person will not be able to see if we have read the messages or not. Following these steps, you can turn off read receipts for accounts very easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.